Got the best two deals for July. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs a platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so $6.49 down from $7.49. I believe it was $5.99 when it was 4th of July, or yeah, was it Father's Day? I believe it was Father's Day. Pretty good deal, still pretty good deal at $6.49. You got the fan here with the mist. That's where the battery goes, and then you got the controls right there. That's if you guys got Eagle batteries, this is the way to go. It does have turbo option for $2.49. It'll get you your patio nice and cool there with some breeze. You got this portable hybrid fan for $139. This is 40 volt max, so if you're in the line, if you got a mower battery, $379 down from $429. Pretty good deal there. It is self-propelled. Alright, so $99 for a Craftsman weed whacker, 20 volts. You got $79 for some shears, down from $89. Got a Craftsman, buy a Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle weed eater and get an attachment for free. So pretty good deals, guys, especially with those Craftsman's. Blower attachment. This one's on clearance for $27, down from $109. I believe that's Husqvarna. $5.99 down from $6 something, and then $6.29 for the Simpson. I did order. Let us know in the comment section if you guys did order a pressure washer from that day that they were 50% off from DTO. Let us know what your order status, if you received it. If not, then if it's shipping, let us know down in the comment section. All right, $159 for this pressure washer. You got a 3000 brushless, 3000 psi for $349, down from $449. Not too bad. You got a perfect sweep turbo for $29. So if you guys doing some light pickup there at the house or at the shop, these are for some front filters. A lot of these on clearance. This is a clearance section, by the way. A Werner ladder stabilizer, $38, down from $46. That's a picture of it. So if you guys need a stabilizer for your ladder, that's a good deal there. You got a Sentry Safe. That one's down to $55, down from $65. Pretty good deals on that. And then you got this one is a work platform, $64, down from $79. So ladder rack platform. So I don't know how you would set this up. Let us know in the comment section if you guys have something like this. How do you set up? You got the gel blaster. And then you got the recharge there for $39, down from $50, and then $15 and $3, depending on what you're buying. It's pretty good deals on these for the kids or for the youngsters. $169 impact driver, drill driver, or you can get just the impact driver for $99 or drill driver. So definitely recommend these guys, especially the impact driver. I think is a beast. It's the $840. You got the buy one get one free, so you buy any of those and get a free battery. Pretty good deals. Same thing with this backwards. You buy the starter kit and you get a free tool. Got some nice brushless tools to choose from. So if you guys need to stock up on those, also let us know in the comment section if you guys got the impact driver combo with the free hammer drill for around $100. So you know, a lot of you got a different tool. A lot of you got the polisher, were telling me. But yeah, it was impact driver kit with the free tool for $99. Let us know in the comment section. All right, you got these are $49. This is a ratcheting wrench. It's a 20-piece set. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. You got the torque set, 40-piece. Some nut drivers there, a bit socket adapter. Some 1-inch bits, Phillips, stars. $19.98 for the 26-piece drive set. This one's some 1-inch bits, tic-tac case. It's empty. I don't know why it's empty. Some nut drivers and some 2-inch bits. Some drilling bits, titanium. These are nice for metals, light duty metal. 14-piece for $21, was $26. Usually these I usually wait for the holiday season. You should put them around $9 to $15. But if you need them, these are great deals to pick up as of now. So if you really need them, might as well get them on sale as of now. You got the buy more save more, so you spend $300 save $100, spend $200 save $50. Pretty good deals. On clearance, this is a reciprocating saw. It's hard to read. It's hard about that picture. Regular price $129. It is down to $103. Alright, this one's a Mechanics 230 piece Craftsman, down to $129. Does have 3 different ratchets, a lot of sockets, some combination wrenches, a lot of bits. Pretty good deal. Impact driver $129, down from $149, and that is the XR. You got a miter saw stand. It's pretty good deal on this one too, $71. I'm waiting for this to drop even more. Regular price $89. Need a miter saw stand. Then they got this combo for $3.99. It's pretty good deal, and it looks like you get a free tool. I don't know exactly if it's this one's apply for it, but I think it is, because you got 2 different 4-piece combo kits there. So let us know in the comment section if you guys got your free tool there with one of those combo kits. $149 on clearance. A lot of these Bosches are going on clearance. I don't know exactly what's going on. Let us know in the comment section if you guys know what's going on with Bosch, because pretty much everything's on clearance with Bosch. You got the Freak there for $99. Was $159. And then you got the 4-tool combo kit there. Buy one get one free, 4-amp hour battery, 18-volt battery. And then same thing with this one. You buy one get one free, get a Profactor 8-amp hour battery. When you buy a Profactor tool, buy one get one free. So those are the tools that you have to buy and get a free starter kit. Either that or the bottom one. So lots to choose from, guys, and that runs to $728.23. I guess it's not going anywhere because obviously they're just running deals, but a lot of stuff is on clearance. I don't know if they're running, like if they're cleansing everything out and putting new stuff, like refreshed, brand new stuff, or I don't know exactly, but because these are solid tools. I mean, this hammer drill is really good. I've used the hammer drill, and these things are solid as pretty much. Alright, so you got a screwdriver here, DeWalt. I don't get to see a lot of these, so that's why I put it in here. It does come with its own charger, I guess. So this one's DCF 682N1. Some sort of screwdriver, maybe a 4-bolt screwdriver. Alright, so $99 for this multi-bolt battery. Not too bad. Not the cheapest, but not bad. Cordless drill driver, $64, down from $129. Metabo, so these are solid brands. Definitely recommend these Metabos. You got the cordless drill driver for, looks like $99.50 or $89.50, something like that. You got a reciprocating saw, $143, down from $179. You got a Bosch jigsaw, 6.5 amps, $111, down from $139. And then you got a looks like a DeWalt drain snake random orbit polisher for $38. Was $64. Then a lot of these are on clearance for Apex. The Apex brand adapters. All the way to $12. And then you got a Cobalt table saw, $279. I did see more table saws on sale. I just lost some of the footage. I don't know what happened. They probably stayed at the store, lost them or something. Alright, so you got the Precision, the Craig multi-purpose switch, $19. And you got a router table. So all you need is a router. You got the table here. This one's $179, down from $249. Lots of good deals in this. And then you got this trade stack. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great weekend.